Hey guys, it's Nessa here, and in today's video what I'm about to show you is gonna really blow your mind off, because what I stumbled upon not so recently, but I wasn't paying attention to it, I wasn't paying attention to it actually at all. But I stumbled upon this website called In Digital Works, and what this website is a website that gives you access to the PLR products, right? So as you can see, high quality PLR products you can feel good about selling to your customers, right? So #1 PLR membership since 2008. You can watch the video, explaining everything, how to use it and stuff like that. But the best part of it is that you can register for free account, right? And you get access to 200 products. So no obligations, no contracts, cancel at any time, 100% risk free. Now, the beauty of it is not in the free registration, but the beauty of it is in getting all these PLR products. So not just, as much as you can see, if you hover up here, you have free ebooks. Let's open it in another tab. You have free software, free videos, free templates, free graphics, free music, right? So you have a ton of these that you can easily sell, because this is what the PLR product is. So let's open just one of these, right? How to accomplish more in a fraction of the time. So what you need to do basically is just simply download the book, right? You click the download button, but you need to first register. As much as you can see, I'm registered here, and I'm in my control panel, and there you go. So you have the book downloaded immediately. You just unzip it. Let me show you. I have ton of the stuff here, but I'm gonna show you quickly, right? So what I do is just do it like that. How to accomplish more in a fraction of time. Here it is. How to accomplish more in a fraction of time. All right, so you even get license, right? And I'm gonna show you right now. You get a license to sell these products. So the value is huge. It's enormous. The value is really, it's a mind blow. So yes, can be sold. Yes, can be used for personal use. Yes, can be packaged with other products. Yes, can modify, change the sales letter, right? You can change anything. Yes, can be added into paid membership websites. Yes, can put your name on the sales letter, like literally like you built it and you didn't build it, right? So the book has come from the In Digital Works, like I said, but you didn't do anything, right? So you have a ton of these things. Okay, yeah, and no, can modify, change the main product. So you can't change the main product, right? You can't change the whole thing, but you can change the name and everything like you did. As you can see, you have yes here and you have no. So what you can do and what you can't do. It's very important to read everything, right? And to get this book, right? If you want to sell it. And the cool thing about it is you have ton of the websites like Fiverr, seoclerks and everything, codeclerks and stuff like that. You have a ton of these, and here's the ebook, right? So you literally get the free ebook. I'm gonna open just for you guys to show you that it's 100% free. Okay, so how to accomplish more in a fraction of the time. As much as you can see, getting results super fast through prioritizing, leveraging, and focus, blah blah blah. And it's really beautiful. It looks very good. So legal notice, terms and conditions, so as much as you can see, it really looks dope, right? You don't need to change anything. It's super cool, man. And you can use it on your own website, on your own blog, on your in any way that you think you might sell this book. You can use it, right? Because it's very good. It's simply one of the best websites I've found currently, that I've found for these things. Also, you have softwares here, right? So simple, social, expandable, affiliate, PDF, branded. I'm not gonna download any of these, but because I've got no time, I don't want this video to be as long, but you get the point, right? So you have these softwares, you have these free videos, right? Those templates and everything. You have, yeah, as much as you can See, you have these templates, these amazing templates. You have Facebook ad templates that you can use, right? So free graphics, timeline covers, Facebook timeline covers, real estate graphics, miscellaneous stock photos, and so on and so. Kindle cover templates. This is huge value, guys, right? So 25 Kindle cover templates that you can change and put on your Amazon books and everything. So graphics, black box, V3, stuff like that. So you get the picture, right? All you have to do is click the link down below in the description to register for the free account, and you're gonna get access to the free 200 plus products, right? So all you have to do is a simple registration. And check this out, Cyber Monday 24 hours extended. If you upgrade your membership to gold, which is lifetime, you're gonna get for just $79 instead of $149, so almost 50% sale, right? Almost 50% off. And instead of just getting 200 products, you would get 12,590 products, you know, like including the bonuses, e-cover software with PLR, which is the license agreement, right? So you can sell it and everything. You even get 10 gigabytes premium web hosting, 200,000 PLR articles, man. You get landing page creating and stuff like that. So I highly recommend, you know, getting to this website as soon as you can. And you know, just simply check it out. Click the link down below in the description, check it out by yourself. If you like it, if you don't, it's all up to you, right? But perhaps I think you're gonna love this one because it gives you so much value for nothing. So you only need to change like a name. You don't want in digital works to appear as a name if you're gonna sell it, right? If you're gonna sell it in Fiverr or on your website or anywhere, you don't want these to appear because you want your own name to appear there. All right, so all you have to do is click the link down below, simple registration, you know, entering your name. I'm gonna log out and show you guys how simple it really is, and this is gonna be it. This is gonna be it for this video. So register, just come on, check this out, man. Okay, register for free. That's all. So free registration, no BS, everything is great, and all you have to do to get these products is literally simple free registration. This is all up to you. If you want to okay, here it says 500 products for free, even better. So this is all up to you. If you want to upgrade your account while they still have the Cyber Monday deal, you can. But if you don't want to, you don't need to, right? It's all up to you. I'm not gonna push you for anything, but I'm just sharing this website because it's a huge value, and I'm gonna help you guys out. If you were keen to start selling online, right, to make some really good amount of money, but you didn't have a product to do so, now you do. So now you have beautiful, amazing products that you can use to make money online, right? It's very, very simple. And what I want to say right now is, if you want to stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to explain how you can upload these, how you can change and upload these books and post them on the websites that I personally strongly recommend you to do, then hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this one. But what I think is you're going to love it, and you know, just take massive action. Join the program right now, download the free products, you know, download a couple of the books, check it out, learn more about it, and I will see you guys in the next one.